Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we will be discussing the importance of developing high-quality content as a key component of a successful content marketing strategy. So, what is high-quality content? High-quality content is informative, engaging, and valuable to the target audience. It is well-written, well-researched, and presents information in an organized and easy-to-understand manner. It is unique and original, and adds value to the conversation or information available on a particular topic. Now, why is high-quality content important? 1. High-quality content can help to establish your brand as a reliable source of information and thought leadership. 2. It can attract and engage your target audience, leading to increased website traffic, leads, and sales. 3. It can also improve your search engine ranking and visibility, as search engines tend to favor high-quality, relevant content. With so much content being produced every day, it's important to make sure that what you're putting out there is of the highest quality. We'll discuss some best practices that you can follow to make sure your content stands out from the crowd. The first step to creating high-quality content is to develop a content creation process and guidelines. It's important to have a clear process for creating and approving content so that everyone is on the same page. This will also help to ensure that your content is consistent in terms of style, tone, and format. The next best practice is to invest in quality research and resources. Quality content requires quality research and resources, so it's important to put in the effort and resources to make sure your content is well researched and accurate. This could include books, articles, and other materials that will help you to create content that is both informative and engaging. If you don't have the time or resources to create all of your content in-house, consider hiring professional writers or editors to help you. This can be especially useful if you need to create a large volume of content or if you need specialized expertise. Having a professional writer or editor on board can help to take your content to the next level. Finally, consider utilizing user-generated content as a source of high-quality content. User-generated content is content that is created and shared by your audience, such as reviews, comments, and social media posts. This type of content can be a valuable source of high-quality content as it is often authentic and engaging. And those are just a few best practices for creating high-quality content. By following these tips, you'll be able to produce content that is not only informative, but also engaging and appealing to your audience. Once you have an understanding of how to create and source high-quality content, it's important to develop a plan for doing so. This may involve identifying your content needs and resources, developing a budget and timeline, determining the mix of in-house and outsourced content creation, and creating a process for reviewing and approving content. To identify your content needs and resources, consider your content marketing goals and the types of content that will be most effective in achieving those goals. For example, if your goal is to drive website traffic, you may need to create a variety of content formats, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics. If your goal is to engage and retain current customers, you may want to focus on creating content that is relevant to their interests and needs. Once you have identified your content needs, you'll need to develop a budget and timeline for creating and distributing your content. This will involve determining how much you are willing and able to invest in content creation and distribution, and how much time you can allocate to these efforts. It's important to be realistic about your budget and timeline, as this will help you to create a sustainable content marketing plan. Next, you'll need to determine the mix of in-house and outsourced content creation. Depending on your resources and expertise, you may decide to create some or all of your content in-house, or you may choose to outsource some or all of your content creation to freelance writers or agencies. There are pros and cons to both approaches, so it's important to carefully consider your options and choose the approach that best fits your needs. Finally, you'll need to create a process for reviewing and approving content. This may involve establishing a content review committee or assigning content review responsibilities to specific team members. It's important to have a thorough review and approval process in place to ensure that all of your content meets your standards for quality and aligns with your business goals and brand messaging. In conclusion, developing high-quality content is essential for a successful content marketing strategy. By understanding the characteristics of high-quality content and following best practices for creating and sourcing it, you can attract and engage your target audience, establish your brand as a thought leader, and achieve your content marketing goals. By developing a plan for creating and sourcing high-quality content and implementing a thorough review and approval process, you can ensure that all of your content meets your standards for quality and effectively contributes to your content marketing efforts.